So now this is a lighting setup in which I'm using 3-point lighting, and this diffusion that you can see is from this halogen, and I've used uh, a white cloth, a white curtain cloth, curtain fabric you can say, to diffuse the light, and use a white fabric source for diffusion. And on this side there is an LED light, which is yellow LED light, to lighten up my this side of the face. And on this side there is also an LED light of the same source, of the same type, and it is also lightening my face. So I just want to test that uh, how and what feel I'm getting in this light, because it's a 3-point lighting and I'm getting light from this. And I'm also using a practical light, you can say, a practical light, that which is this lamp. If you see this lamp, so there is a practical lighting which um, tells you that from where this light is coming. So I'm trying to do that, maybe not successfully right now, but yes, I'm getting this because of this diffusion. And I've added this light, and before this clip uh, there was no, this LED light was not there, it was there, and before that it was also not there. So I'm just testing this out. So let's see how it goes. Let's test this. Hmm. Let's do it. Now this is a bit of a different setup. What is the basic difference is in this setup, in comparison to the previous setup, that I've used a shower curtain instead of the that fabric of curtain that I had used in the previous setup. In this setup I've used a shower curtain because uh, what I have studied and what I have learned, that for diffusion shower curtain is very, but this curtain has some linings in it. So I just wanted to test that do these lines affect the diffusion, and uh, what sort of diffusion I'm getting, if I'm getting a better diffusion in this, so I can use this light better, because this is a very, not very expensive, but it is a 400 rupees, but those cloths were of about 250 rupees. So this would look a bit more professional if it goes well. And then if it goes well with this for the key lighting, then I can use, I guess, for fill light I can do something with those cloths. So let's test again with all the previous lights, and this time this shower curtain. Let's do it. So last shot was uh, was very nice. I think in comparison to the previous cloth, I'm getting a better diffusion in this, and these lines are not affecting at all. And because now you would have seen that I'm not wearing my glasses, because my glasses were a bit shining. That we need to look for this also, because maybe there will be some scenes that in which I need to wear glasses. So we need to understand this is also an experience which comes by doing something. So is it shining too much? Is that too much? If it is shining too much, let me test it check it on the laptop. And if it is shining too much, then I need to place. That's no problem. I need to place the halogen a bit uh, behind, a bit far from the shower curtain. That will be solved. That's not a problem. That's not a big problem. But I just want to test that. Mm, Let me do one thing. I have switched off one LED light from this side. Now I want to test that how is it looking in just this light, as there is no fill light. And now what I'll do is that I'll switch off this light also. Then we'll see the difference. So now there is only this practical light and this diffuse light, that is the key light. So let's see how it is different from all these scenarios. Let's check it now.